Hi, everybody. Tom Forgione here, and I just wanted to go over something with you regarding easy sales funnels for small businesses. Now, sales funnel is important for any business because what it does is it allows you to place people who are suspects, not quite customers yet, into a sort of a sales funnel that you can continuously send them information and warm them up, and then they hopefully become a customer of yours. Now, a lot of people out there are really confusing the issue on how to do this, and it's very, very simple. There are much more complicated sales funnels than this, but this should get you started and get you some activity um, relatively quickly. All right, so I'm going to jump on my computer. I'm going to show you how we do this. Okie doke. So here we are. So this is going to be easy sales funnel for small business that can be implemented and set on autopilot. No joke. It's possible. Here we go. First, you need a strong ad. Now, you can place that ad anywhere you want. You can place it on Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, TikTok, Twitter, wherever you want. But it has to have a strong offer. In other words, something that somebody really wants that will relieve their pain if they get. Simple as that. Simple marketing 101. Now, once they click on that ad, it's going to take them to a landing page. Now, that landing page is created in a way with maybe another video explaining what the offer is all about. It should have text also, what the offer is all about, and it allows them to sign up for that offer with their name and email. Don't ask for more than that because usually if you ask too much on a form like that, they just put in bogus information anyway. But you should tell them in the text or on the video that they're going to receive the offer via email. See, this way they give you the right email. Now, once they do that, they get placed on an email course list. Now, you can have, we call them email service providers. You can have GetResponse. You can have MailChimp, doesn't matter. It needs to be on somewhere that you can manage the email list. So as soon as they hit Get Offer, which is going to be a button on that landing page, they're going to get placed on the email list, and then they're going to go to a thank you page. Now here's where a lot of the magic happens. On this thank you page, you're going to simply have whatever that original offer is, you're going to double it. You're going to make it so unbelievable on this page that they cannot say no to your offer. Okay? It can be, if you're giving a 7-day free trial on the first landing page, when they get here, double it. It could be get a free pizza with this coupon that you're going to get, and when they get to the second page, the thank you page, it could say, and also a sub, or double the size of the pizza, or toppings free, something really good that they really want, okay? Because they wouldn't have done the first thing if they didn't want it, right? They wouldn't have went that far. Now, but on this thank you page, it's also going to say, if you want the bigger offer, the better offer, the stronger offer, you have to call now. Or you have to act now, or you have to click here and buy this now. Whatever it is, it has to be now, okay? So this way they do it right away, okay? Now, so after they get placed on the list, and while they're moving on to the thank you page, they're going to get an email with the main offer, with the lower priced or the lower, quality offer, but still a good offer. And it's going to explain to them about that offer, and then the email is also going to say again about the better offer. But what do they got to do? They have to act now. They have to call now, click now, buy now, do something now. Or you give them a time frame within an hour, within 2 hours, or else it's gone. You got to put some scarcity in there, okay? Or FOMO, fear of missing out. That's the word of the day, FOMO, okay? Now, this is automated. You don't have to do anything, all right? Once you set it up, of course. And then you're going to email to this list often with other offers. So this whole funnel here is automated from landing page to thank you email. It's all automated. You set it once, and then you run ads and you test the ads to see how effective they are in getting people to it. That's all there is. It's pretty simple. There's not much more to tell here. All right. So you got an ad, you send them to a landing page, they get placed on an email list. At the same time, they get an email with the offer and the stronger offer, and at the exact same time, they get pushed to a thank you page that has a whopping great offer that they can't say no to. You know, in the mob, I think they say an offer they can't refuse, right? I don't know, I'm not in the mob, so but I've heard some things. Okay, so that's it. Pretty easy, huh? Okay, so if you need help doing this, let me know, and we'll schedule a time to talk and see if this is a right fit for you. But if you're in business, it's probably a right fit for you. And we'll go over everything in detail. No sales pitch. We'll get you started, okay? So you have a great day. Thanks for watching.